not a matter of belief. You get asked all the time, oh, you study climate, do you believe in global warming? If you believe in thermometers, you believe in global warming. We've known about global warming for a long time. We also have known about climate change for a long time, and now we're really learning a lot over the last decade about how global warming and climate change are affecting the kind of extreme events that impact us so acutely here in California, in the United States, and around the world. We know from our research here at Stanford that global warming is increasing the risk of the California drought that we're experiencing right now. We know that it's intensifying this drought, it's prolonging this drought, it's making more likely that this kind of drought will happen again in the future. That's science. That's what we know. We know for Superstorm Sandy that the sea level rise that has already happened has doubled the probability of extreme storm surge flooding. And so we know that these events that cause so much impact, that we're already experiencing increased risk. We also know that we have opportunities, and it's really exciting to be here at Stanford looking out at so many faces that are doing so much to help to create the opportunities and advance the solutions that are going to address this issue now and in the future. And here at Stanford, we are investing in solutions. We're investing in a new energy system that has not only lowered our carbon footprint, but has dramatically reduced our energy use. And over the lifetime of the plant, that's going to be hundreds of millions of dollars that are going to be available, not for keeping the lights on, but for investing in education, investing in research, investing in other infrastructure. We also see out here students and faculty and staff and so many great brains that are working so hard to address this problem. The energy technologies, the policies, the social innovations that are all going to be required to face this challenge. So I'm hopeful, I'm excited to be here with you all. And we know that climate is a challenge, but we also know that we can face this challenge and create a more vibrant world now and in the future. So with that, I want to welcome on to the stage my colleague Mark Jacobson, who knows a lot about those solutions and to tell you about those solutions. Mark.
Thank you, Noah, and thank you all for coming out here. This is a very important event, and it's great to see so many people interested in these serious problems and solutions to them. So I want to talk about solutions. I'm not going to talk about gloom and doom. I'm going to say how do we solve this problem? And we solve the problem in our minds through clean and renewable energy sources. And that's 100% clean and renewable wind, water, solar power for all purposes. So what are all purposes? It's electricity, transportation, heating and cooling, industry, agriculture, forestry, fishing. So for everything, the idea is to convert, to electrify the entire world. And this electricity, some of it can be used for hydrogen. You'll need some storage as well. But there's so many benefits of electrifying. Without even changing your habits, you reduce power demand on a worldwide scale by about 30 to 35% because of the efficiency of electricity over combustion. And we're not solving this problem not only because of climate change, global warming, it's because also air pollution, mortality and morbidity, and energy security. The same emissions, the same sources of pollution that cause the warming of the planet, namely fossil fuel and biofuel combustion, also lead to 4 to 7 million premature deaths per year. I see a sign here that says 5 million dead from fossil fuel pollution. Great sign. That's in 1 year. 1 year. That's how many people die from air pollution. It's one of the 4 or 5 leading causes of death. And